Assalamu alaikum class. In unit number 2, health and safety, in our previous lecture we have discussed about health. In this part we will discuss about safety. Staying safe. The world around us is a pleasant place, but it can be dangerous too. It is important for us to look carefully before we do anything and think before we act. Here I'll give you an example of fireworks. They look so beautiful, but if we handle them carelessly, they can cause many injuries. So class, you spend most of your time at home, in school, or your street, or at the playground. Let us look the dangers in these places one by one. At home. Students, we know that electricity is an essential part of modern life. Essential means important. We use electricity for lighting, we use it for heating, for cooling, and to operate other electronic devices. We use electricity almost all the time, so it is very important for us to use it carefully. Similarly, class, there are many sharp instruments in the home. They have a purpose, so use them carefully, never run with them or leave them laying around. So, do you have any idea which sort of sharp instruments we use in our daily lives? Yes, we use needles, we use scissors, glass bulbs, matchbox, we use medicines and knives and so on. So students, we should use them, but we should use them with great care. We should not place them on the floor, we should not hold them in our hands while running. They are very useful, but they may harm us. Class, there is one more very important caution which we should follow is not to place any liquid near electrical appliances and don't touch them with your wet hands. All these things are useful, but we should use them with great care. So class, now we will move on to our next point, that is safety at school. Do not throw things in class, do not climb on the desk, use school equipments carefully. Class, in school, our conduct must be very excellent because bad behaviors may lead to many accidents. This is why there are school rules. So follow the rules and you will not hurt yourself or others. Safety on the street. So class, always keep your ears open. I repeat, always keep your ears open and listen for the sound of approaching vehicles. And never play on busy roads. So class, do you know that what do we use to cross a busy road? Yes, we use zebra crossing to cross a busy road, but if there is no zebra crossing, then we should cross the road when there is no traffic. So class, look carefully in both directions before crossing the road. Our next point is safety in the playground. So class, watch out for younger children. Your actions may cause an accident. Always wait for your turn and be patient. Class, you should not play roughly in the playground because it may hurt yourself and others as well. So always be careful while playing in the playground. So class, our last point about safety is first aid. If someone gets hurt, we should give him an immediate first aid. But it is very important for all of you to understand that if someone gets hurt, you should call an adult to help. Do not crowd around the injured person and do not try to move the injured person because it may hurt him more. So class, stay home, eat healthy, do lots of exercise and stay safe at your homes.